Sean Sachin here, and this is my very first YouTube video, and in this video we are going to discuss about blockchain. So first of all, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a trending technology and it is a future technology also. In 2022, at least one startup which is using blockchain in its application will be worth $10.6 billion, and that number will be gradually increasing by $360 billion till 2026, and till 2030 it will be valued more than $1.6 trillion. So it's the power of blockchain. Now we wonder that what is blockchain, यानी कि blockchain क्या है, उसमें ऐसा तो क्या है कि वो इतनी gradually increase. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a type of database in which you store your data. But the difference between a normal database and a blockchain database is, in normal database you can change your data whenever and whatever you want. But in blockchain it is impossible to change your data once you entered it. So this thing makes blockchain more secure than other databases. The thing in a blockchain is, it's a decentralized network. Means there is no central authority which keeps the record of transactions which have been going to happen. Centralized system is totally opposite to decentralized system. Centralized system is having a central body in it through which we can keep monitor and transaction of other people's. Like the correct example of a centralized system. They are a central body which keeps the record of transactions that have been going to happen between two people. But similarly, in blockchain, the system is decentralized. Means no one is there in the middle to keep a record on your transaction. So it is a distributed ledger transaction. As it is a distributed ledger transaction, it is a peer-to-peer network. Means a small change which happened to me will be shown to all the people who have been engaged in that particular chain. अगर सरल भाषा में मैं कहना चाहूँ तो अगर मैं अपनी कोई चीज में चेंज लाता हूँ तो वो चेंज पूरे नेटवर्क पर शो होगा, बट उसका एक्सेस सिर्फ मैं ही कर पाऊंगा. सो दैट्स द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ब्लॉकचेन टिल डेट आर Bitcoin and Ethereum. These two are the biggest blockchains which are ever been created, in which Bitcoin was the first blockchain which was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, and this blockchain was started by him in 2009, and till this date it is. That's it for today's video. In the next video we will deep dive in this topic and we'll know that what are the blocks, how the chain is made, and what are the different type of things through which the blockchain is made. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. My first video, and I hope you like it. And as it was my first video, I had done a lot of mistakes in it, and I will try to improve my mistakes. And if you like it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.